How to connect Apple Pencil USB-C to iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, ensure your iPad is compatible and now plug a USB-C to USB-C cable into your iPad. Further, slide up the cap of the USB-C Apple Pencil and plug in the other end of the cable. You should see a notification at the top of your iPad screen that says Apple Pencil along with its current battery level. Once you see this, you can disconnect the USB-C cable from your Apple Pencil and close its cap. Your pencil is now connected and can be charged via USB-C cable or the magnetic bar on the side of your iPad. It will stay paired to the device until you manually unpair it. So, this is how you can connect Apple Pencil USB-C to iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.